This is a oil seal kind of demonstration of tools that I have, and the oil seal kit that I got to replace the seals on the L bracket style adapter on a 4.0 high output motor, 4 liter 6-cylinder straight 6 on my 99 Cherokee. So this is the gasket kit. It's the actual model number I'm using, brand, and it comes with the 4 smaller O-rings, which you need when removing this shaft bolt there. There's up at the top, there's one hidden one that you kind of have to drive out the bolt out of the actual adapter, and then there's one at the top section there, which is easy to get to, but it's this one that everybody sort of forgets about because the bolt doesn't come out with ease because the hard seal is holding it in, so they don't think about it. And then of course the big one goes on, obviously, the face of the adapter itself. So I figured to show you the actual gasket kit number that I'm using in that. I believe I ordered this off Amazon. It was really easy. And then of course everybody likes to make this redneck together kind of tool system, and it works, and they fight and scream and fight with it. I actually bought this kit here. It has all the varying sizes for the Torx headset, and it actually is a shallow mount. Now these are the cat's meow, right? They have a little locking adapter. They're very shallow, and you're able to take your whatever type of wrench you would like, box end, 17 mil for this version of the head, and I use it on this. I'm able to lock it on it. It's super shallow, and it fits right in there. Like, you got tons of room. See if I can get it to lock in there just like that, and you still are able to put a nice long breaker bar on here from the top if you want, and or from the bottom. But you can see there's tons of room in here, right? As far as this, which is the biggest problem that most people try to do when they're using the combination with the ratchet and then of course a socket head style Torx head. So, and I mean, I can't say this enough. This is the ticket here, and it has all different sizes for those tight to get areas. So I figured I'd share my little setup just to try to make some ease for those people that have those 4.0 high output Torx head processes that they want to do for when they're going to change that O-ring gasket set for the notorious oil leak that everybody thinks is their rear main seal, when most of the time it's always this one, because they overlooked it and never actually took the time to look into it a little further. Yeah, this has got oversized injectors. The intake manifold's been tuned a little bit, like polished and ground down on certain points for easy, more flow. It's got a chip set in it, stainless headers, 2.5 inch exhaust pipe all the way to the back with 40 flow masters on it. Kind of give you just a quick little overview of my dirty bugger is his name. And I've got all the light bars on it that have shields over top, and I got some covers coming for these bad boys here, just so that the authorities don't give me a hard time. In my area, they like to nitpick on silly things, rock sliders, Smitty front and back bumper, Warren 8,000 pound winch. I got a license plate bracket coming for this in the next couple days. High lift jack, and yeah, this thing's freaking awesome. Love this bugger. So anyways, I figured I'd give you some insight on those tools. This is the way to go though, but this is the set number, and I got this off Amazon too. It was a little pricey. I mean, I think I paid $60 for it. It's just kind of, us cheap people, we don't like to spend more than $10 on a tool. But if you're gonna do it right, Might as well do it the first time and not think about it. And then of course I have the set for future projects. And of course again the gasket set that I picked up. Well, hope this helps for somebody.